Good morning, guys. So I'm going to work my morning work. It's been a while since I had morning work. I don't know what to feel, but it's a Friday. I'm still sleepy, but I'm excited. Excited ako kasi tomorrow, actually not tomorrow, later, I'm going to Madrid already and spend the full day tomorrow there and then go home. So I'm a bit excited about that. I'm leaving in like 5 minutes, so that's it. Good morning. Hi guys! So, I just finished work and actually hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Gusto ko sana dumaan muna ng El Corte bago ako umuwi. Since it's still a bit early, it's just 11:18. If you can see. Um, yeah, siguro dadaan ako El Corte Ingles. And then, may check lang ako na skincare. Kasi gusto ko kasi bumili ng maliit na pouch. Because today, ay meron ata sa Flying Tiger. Kasi today, I'm going to Madrid later. So I kinda want a small pouch. Although meron naman akong pouch na sa bahay. I just wanna check if they have it. And then, yun lang. Quick ano lang. Segue before I go home. Kasi it's early. Well, usually naman kasi ng Friday, ano talaga siya. Ano gagawin ko pag Friday? 2 hours lang yung work ko in the morning. So, I still have like 1 hour to walk and I don't know, just walk around. So, let's go. Anyways, hi guys. Hindi na ako naka-update kanina kasi nahilo ako. Gusto ko lang sabihin na feeling ko na-dehydrate ako after my work. Tapos nag-walk-walk pa ako, diba? So, super nahilo ako. So, I had to just buy some items. So, I just got shampoo and my facial serum. And then, I really just went back home. So, grabe, super nahilo talaga ako. It's been a while since nahilo ako ng ganun. And, ayoko talaga. Anyways, so ito yung serum. I'm gonna start my final onboarding at work. And then, that's it. I'm working full-time next week in this job. So, let's go. Hello. So, I'm still working, but while I'm working and waiting for the client's reply, I'm already preparing for my trip later. So it's at 8:57. I leave the house at 8 p.m. And it's already 5:30, 5:25 to be exact. So, yung suot ko tonight, ito na rin yung suot ko tomorrow para hindi na ako magdadala ng extra bag. Especially that, kukuha rin naman kasi ako ng gamit sa Madrid. So, medyo marami akong bitbit. So, right now, I'm just gonna apply my false eyelashes and put on a bit of makeup probably. Wala naman ako gagawin actually, kahit siguro din ako mag-makeup. But yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Nag-edit ako ng vlog, tapos ni-reveal niya doon. Hi, Tin!
Hello.
Hi, guys. So, I am all ready to leave. This is the OOTD today and probably the OOTD tomorrow as well. Kasi din ako nagdala na extra clothes. Kasi matutulog lang naman ako, tapos bukas pa talaga yung general gala. So, I can just take the sweater off. I have t-shirt and then I have heat tech leggings. So, I can wear that later kapag nasa hostel na. But this is the fit check. My favorite burgundy sweater. And then this is my hair. It's already, what time is it? 7:13 p.m. and I'm planning to leave at 7:30 kasi nagugutom ako. So, kakain pa sana ako. And after that, I'll get milk tea or the other way around. I might get milk tea first before I eat kasi di ko pa alam kung saan ako kain. If magkakafe ba ako or rice na. But, ano to? May nag-chat lang sa messenger. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm excited to get my things. I'm excited to see some of my friends that I haven't seen for like more than 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. I'm also excited to see Vino again, my Madrid bestie. So yeah, that's it for today. I also have like accessories lang. Of course, my watch. Let's not forget about the watch. My bracelets and my ponytails. Usually, dalawa yung dala ko. Ang iniisip ko na lang is dadala ba ako ng toothpaste or baka meron sa hostel. Kasi ang laki ng toothpaste and this is my bag. This is my bag. It has everything. Just my Kikay kit, an eco bag, and my iPad. And chargers, of course. So, ayun lang. Let's go. We're here in Madrid after 2 hours. Hindi na ako nag-video sa tram. Kasi antok na antok ako, guys. Train. Train pala siya. Super antok talaga ako. So now, we're trying to catch the train. The number 1 train. We're going to the Centro Sol kasi nandun yung hostel. And then after that, wala, tutulog lang. Big day tomorrow, gonna be a busy day, so let's go! Good morning! Good morning, Madrid! It's very rainy today, pero hindi naman malakas yung ulan. It's already 11 a.m. I'm just gonna get brunch. And actually, hindi siya brunch. I'm just gonna get matcha kasi I found this cute online. I found it online. Ano na? Antok pa, girl. Nakahanap ako ng matcha place online. And I want to visit it because it has an art gallery inside. And I'm very excited. So, let's go. Hi guys. So, I'm just having matcha before I meet my friend. And ang ganda. It's an art gallery. Ang ganda. It's so peaceful. Anyways, as I was saying, sorry nahulog. It's so peaceful kasi ako lang yung nandito. And around me are paintings, mixed media arts, super love. So, ang sarap ng matcha nila. Guys, kinausap ako ng may-ari. Ang pogi.
Hello!
It's raining and magbo-buffet kami.
We're going to Fuencarral, Sumo Fuencarral.
Yan.
It's a
I'm with
Japanese
Vino,
cuisine.
guys. So, kilala niyo ba si Vino? Siya si Vino.
Hello! Ano yun? Actually, I can take videos as well. Kita yung laman.
Jollibee chicken.
Okay, go.
Guys, naawa si Vino. Bumili tuloy kami ng candy. Masyado siyang mabait.
Rowan.
Akala ko hindi siya mabait.
Gago, alam mo ba?
Sabi niya sa akin magtipid ako.
Magtipid naman talaga siya.
Ayun ko sa'yo.
El mando, saludo a mi amigo que va jugando, no sé si va perdiendo.
Carlo, y los porta equipaje.
And just like that, nakabalik na po tayo ng Valencia. The queen of day trips. Charot. Day trip lang niya Madrid na para bang nagsayang lang siya ng pamasahe. Anyways, I'm excited to go home. Magluluto si Gab. So, let's see. Ang dami kong bit-bit. So heavy.
Buti mo lang yata naglalab sa
Good morning! It's Sunday. And we have Jollibee and matcha. Reveal. Ano oras na ito? Sa akin to? Thank you. Thank you din. Spaghetti? My spaghetti!
Color yung
Oo. May pan.
Green din yung sa'yo?
Oo.